Ngibingelele kuwe laleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi aphila-ke. Mina-ke ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mengabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole-ke nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiyifaka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngakuphuthi kulezo y'ndaba ongawenza njengamanje ungakucindezela-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke sithi-ke sithuse-ke abaningi-ke laphana-ke isinqumo-ke esithathwe-ke i-MK-ke laphana-ke kodwa angifuni ukuveza-ke mina-ke ngenza nje ngidlala-ke ividiyo-ke kasisi-ke veza-ke leso-ke sinqumo-ke leso-ke veza ichaza-ke nokuningi-ke laphana-ke kwividiyo-ke. Mina-ke into nje ngidlala-ke ividiyo-ke engicela ukulaphana masizwile kule video nama-comment section-ke for usho uvo lwakho ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke bese wenza kulungile-ke lapho-ke ungixhase ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole-ke nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiyifaka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Anyway, guys, breaking news. Kesana, Darren joins the MK party. I shame. I'm not shocked. I'm shook. I'm disappointed. But again, cost of living in South Africa is very high. I get it. We are all securing the bag. No amount of offers can make me leave the EFF. And I'm so grateful that I have a job, because I feel like cost of living in South Africa is high. Of course, if you get offered a position of being the head of research, which you're gonna get, or you will get paid about 60,000, 70,000, or 80,000, 90,000, of course you will take that job. Of course you will take that job. So, I'm just grateful nje at this point to have a job, because now if I get offered like 100,000, ukubon. Anyway, yeah, good luck to Darren Shem, all the best, and obviously he must secure the bag. Maybe he will end up in parliament, since he does all the research for the MPs. That's specifically his job. He says that he's doing research for the MPs so that he can assist them with their speeches, what they say. So shout out, all the best to him. No amount of offers and positions can make me leave the EFF shame. Anyway, archive this message just in case one day you see me saying Gwaza, umkhonto, Gwaza, and you are all shocked and like, this can never be Zizip. But yeah, it's life, I guess.